Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Mount Pleasant are now one step closer to capturing their first CONCACAF Caribbean Cup title after their 1-0 first leg win against Universidad O&M FC in the Dominican Republic on Tuesday. Kimoni Bailey scored what turned out to be the winner in the 8th minute.
We just decided to come out and work hard, and that's what we did, and we get the results. We're not gonna be complacent. We just gonna know that we have to work at home. We need the support from the fans because it's a devastating time now in our country, so we just have to keep working hard.
The start of the game was delayed over an hour due to an unexpected outage at the Cibao FC Stadium. The second leg will be played at the National Stadium in Jamaica on Tuesday, with the winner over the two legs being crowned champions. The winner of the Caribbean Cup will get a bye to the round of 16 of the CONCACAF Champions Cup. Opening batsman Tajan Ryan Shandapal says that the team is getting acclimatized to the pitch as the West Indians are 356 for 6 at stumps on day one of a two-day practice match at the Bert Sutcliffe Oval in Lincoln against the New Zealand 11. Shandapal retired out on 85. Jamaicans Brandon King and John Campbell made 79 and 68 respectively.
Obviously it's nice to spend some time in the middle and get a score, We just had a couple practice session and trying to get used to the conditions.
Shandapal also has personal goals with his first time playing in New Zealand.
The pitch is, a bit different, got a bit more bounce in it. Just got to try and make most of the practice sessions and try and adapt as quickly as possible.
The Caribbean side is fine-tuning preparations for the first test against the Kiwis starting on December 2 at Christchurch. And finally, West Indies have been drawn to face England and Bangladesh at the group stage of the 2026 Men's T20 World Cup, which will be co-hosted by India and Sri Lanka in February and March. The draw for the 2026 World Cup was carried out on Tuesday by world governing body, the International Cricket Council, the ICC. The other nations that have been drawn in Group C are Nepal and Italy. Meanwhile, co-host India have been drawn with arch rivals Pakistan, USA and Namibia along with the Netherlands in Group A. The other co-host, Sri Lanka, will face Australia, Ireland, Zimbabwe and Oman in Group B, while Group D will consist of New Zealand, South Africa, Afghanistan, Canada and the UAE. The tournament will bowl off on February 7 with the marquee India-Pakistan fixture scheduled for February 15 at the Presmadasa Stadium in Colombo. The final will be played in Ahmedabad or Colombo on March 8, while the two semifinals are set for Kolkata or Colombo on March 4 and Mumbai on March 5. If Pakistan qualify for semifinal 1 and the final, those games will be played in Colombo. The other venues for the matches are Delhi and Chennai in India and Kandy in Sri Lanka. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News Package. I am Karian Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.